Hello students, how are you? Yes, I am also fine. Welcome to online maths class my dear students. Okay students, what did we learn in last class? Dear children, what did we learn in last class? Symmetry, letters. Okay, today we learn about complex shapes. Okay, today we learn about complex shapes. Okay, ma? Listen. Students, what is this shape? This is rectangle. Okay. So, what is this shape? This is cylinder. Okay. So, what is this shape? Cuboid. Okay. See that? This is cuboid. Okay. Now, let's see about complex shapes. Okay. See the slide. So, what is mean by symmetric or symmetrical? You already know what is mean by symmetry. Okay, once again, first we recall this topic, then we move to complex shapes. Okay, ma? So, something is symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. Same on both sides. A shape has symmetry if a central dividing line. Okay, so what is that? So dividing line, a mirror line. Okay, so the mirror line can be drawn on it to show that both sides of shape are exactly same. Okay, children, listen. So, what is mean by symmetry? Symmetrical when it is the same on both sides. So, first picture is heart. Okay, heart in picture. So, both sides are same. So, a shape has symmetry if a central dividing line. This is a dividing line. Okay, this is dividing line. Okay, so a mirror line. So, what is the name of the line? A dividing line or mirror line. Okay, so can be drawn on it to show both sides of the shape are exactly same. Okay, for example, so square. So square has two line of symmetry. You know already. So two. Okay, so this is line of symmetry. You already know. So first picture is heart. So this is the dividing line. Okay, so second one is butterfly. Okay, so third one is square. Okay, so see the next slide. So, what are the four types of symmetry? You already know what are the four types of symmetry. Okay. So, the four main types of the symmetry are translation, rotation, reflection and guild reflection. What are the? See the board. Types of symmetry. Okay. Types of symmetry. So, translation. First one, rotation. What is the second one? Rotation. Okay. Rotation. So, reflection. Fourth one, guilt reflection. What is the first one? Translation. Okay. So, translation, rotation, reflection and guilt reflection. So, these are the four main types of this symmetry. Okay, ma? So, what are the four types of symmetry? The four main types of symmetries are translation, rotation and reflection and guilt reflection. Okay. See the next slide. So you already know the line of symmetry. Okay, students, you take a page number 88. Take a page number 88. Take a page number 88. You already know symmetry letters. Okay, once again we recall. So the rest of letters A, B, C, D and E all have only one line of symmetry. Okay, see the board carefully. One line of symmetry. So, what are the letters? A, B, C, D and E. A, B, C, D and E. Okay, these letters are one line of symmetry. Okay, so A has a vertical line of symmetry. You already know vertical line, horizontal line, slant line and curved line. Okay, so once again recall. So, vertical line, okay, horizontal line, slant line, curved line, okay, vertical line, horizontal line, slant line, curved line. So, these are the types of lines you already know. So, first letter A. So, this letter, so A has a vertical line of symmetry. A has a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, so the letter A. So the letter has a vertical line of symmetry. Okay, ma. So listen. While B, C, D, and E have a horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, so this is a horizontal line. Okay, D and E. So these are the horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, listen. So J, K, L, N and P have a zero lines of symmetry. Okay, listen. Zero line of symmetry. So what are the letters? J, K, L, N, P. Okay, J, K, L, N, P. Okay, ma. So these letters are zero lines of symmetry. Okay. So what is the first line of one line of symmetry? What are the letters? A, B, C, D, and E. Okay, ma. So zero line of symmetry J, K, L, N, and P. Okay. So M has only one line of symmetry. You already know M. So M has a only one line of symmetry. So it's a vertical line of symmetry. Okay. Zero have a two lines of symmetry. You already know zero have a two line of symmetry. Okay, ma? You understand? Okay. So next we move to complex shapes. Okay, listen. Listen, ma. So complex shapes. Complex shapes combine parts. Okay, combine parts are all simple shapes or simple shapes. Okay, combine parts are simple shape. Okay, so what is the complex shape? So complex shape combine parts are all of simple shapes. So these complex shapes include polygons and shapes that make include parts of circle, square, triangle, ellipse and rectangle. So what are the combined shapes in complex shapes? So first one is circle. circle. Okay. Second one, square. Squares. Okay. So third one, triangle. Triangles. Okay. Fourth one, ellipse. Ellipse. Okay. And last one, rectangle. Okay, ma. These are the main complex shapes. So all are simple shapes. So these are the simple shapes. Okay. So listen. So complex shapes combine parts are all of simple shapes. Okay. So that may include parts of shapes, circle, squares, and triangle, ellipse, rectangle. So what are the shapes? Circle, okay, circle, squares, triangle, ellipse, and rectangle. So these are the simple shapes. Okay, circle, squares, triangle, ellipse, and rectangle. Okay, ma? You understand? See the next picture. So, what are the 16 basic shapes? You know the shapes already. Okay. So, first one, the 16 basic shapes are triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezium, pentagon. Okay. So, these are the circle, okay, ellipse and circle. So, these are the main etc. and etc. main 16 basic shapes. Okay, ma? So, next one. So, see the picture. So, see the picture, ma. So, this is one of the complex shape. So, what is the shape? So, this is a complex shape. So, the including picture, so square, rectangle. So, the picture has square, triangle, and rectangle and trapezium. Okay. So, what are the main shapes, simple shapes? So, rectangle. So, listen. So, circle is there, and square, triangle, and ellipse, and rectangle also there. So, the shapes are mingled in complex shape. Okay. Listen. So, now students, you take a worksheet book, you take a max workbook, take a page number 89. Students, listen. You take a page number 89, symmetry, complex shapes. Okay, worksheet number 14. Students, take fast. Okay, ma'am. Listen. So tell whether the dotted line on each letter object represent a line of symmetry, right? Yes or no. Okay. Now we tell. Okay, whether dotted line each letter object line of symmetry or not. Okay. First one is star. Okay. So listen carefully. Okay, students, listen. Now, you take a page number 89. So, tell whether the dotted line on each letter object represent a line of symmetry, right? Yes or no. Now, you tell the answer, yes or no. Okay, students, see the board. Okay, I draw two pictures, first one and fourth one. Okay, you also draw this picture, do this activity now. You have time for 10 seconds, 20 seconds. Okay, so draw fast. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, students, you finish? Okay, so now you take a max book mark. Take a page number 89. So what is the first picture? So first one is star. So you already draw a symmetric line. Okay. So tell whether the dotted line on each letter or object represent a line of symmetry. So it is the correct line of symmetry or wrong. Okay. So this picture have okay. Okay, so this is correct as line of symmetry or wrong, ma? Students, you tell the answer. This is correct or wrong? So have a time. Take a time for 5 seconds. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so this is wrong answer. Okay, so you write no. Okay, ma? So second picture, sorry, fourth one is a line of symmetry. Okay. So this is a mirror image divided in a line. So this is a mirror image. So this is line of symmetry. So this is the correct answer. So you write, you take a pencil and write yes. Okay. Write fast. Dear students, write fast. So first answer no. Okay. So first one. So this is not line of symmetry. Okay. So first one no. Second B answer correct. Okay. So this is yeah yes. Students write fast. B1 yes. Write fast mark. Yes. So third one, no. So this is not a correct answer. Okay. So write fast students. Children. So third answer, no. And fourth one, already we finished. Yes. Okay. So fourth one, yes. So once again. So first one is no. Second one, yes. Okay, children, listen. So first one, no. So first answer, no. Okay. Second one, yes. So it's a symmetric line. Okay. So third one, no. Okay. So fourth one, so line of symmetry, one. So it's a correct answer. So you write yes. Okay. Do you finish, ma? Okay. So next one, draw and write the number of lines of symmetry for the shapes given below. Okay. Now we draw the picture and line of symmetry shapes given below. Okay. Children, listen. So first one, a square picture in between the rangoli. Okay. So you already know square have a four line of symmetry. Okay. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, ma. So how many lines? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you write the four line of symmetry. Four lines of symmetry. Okay, ma. So write fast, students. Okay, children. You have a time. So time start now. So 5 second time only. So 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, ma? So second one, so the picture, so one of the water bottle. Okay, see. So this is also one water bottle. So vertical line only. Okay. So second one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. Okay. So first one, four lines of symmetry. Okay. Second one line of symmetry. Okay, students. So students, third one is homework. So counting now. So you have a time, 10 seconds. Okay, time starts now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. So how many lines of symmetry? Students, you identify how many lines? 4. Am I right? 6? No. Okay. So the correct answer, 8 lines of symmetry. Okay. So this is C. Students, write fast. So last one, students, you tell the answer. So last one, write the number of line of symmetry for the shape. So please identify. 2 line of symmetry is the correct answer? No. So 3 line of symmetry. So the correct answer is 4 lines of symmetry. 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, ma? So once again, so first one, 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, so first question, 4 lines of symmetry. So second one line of symmetry. So second one, B, question number B, one line of symmetry. Okay, question number C, 8 lines of symmetry. Question number C, 8 lines of symmetry. Question number C, 8 lines of symmetry. Question number D, 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, ma? Do you understand this topic? Okay, once again, so symmetry, complex shape. So first one, tell whether the dotted line on each letter represent a line of symmetry. So which one is the correct line of symmetry? Okay, you already know. So first one is a wrong answer and Second one correct answer. So third one is wrong answer and D is the correct answer. Okay ma? So next one, second question. Draw and write the number of line of symmetry for the shapes given below. Okay. So now we draw a line of symmetry. So already you know, you write this picture. So first one is 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, first one 4 lines of symmetry. Second one line of symmetry. Okay, so third one 8 lines of symmetry. Third one 8 lines of symmetry. Okay, so last one 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, ma, do you understand? Okay, students, thank you. So, worksheet number 14. So, it's the same model. You do this picture, you draw the picture and do the line of symmetry. Okay. So, do this activity. So, this is homework for you. So, thank you, students. Take care. Bye. Thank you, students.